Yep. 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 Again. Yep. Yep. One more. Yep. 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 So this turned out lovely. I've never held an adze. I've never made an adze before. I've never used an adze. In fact, I've never seen in the flesh an adze. So whether or not this is actually an adze, I do not know. It looks like the things I found on the internet, and it sort of does like when you cut with it into wood, it sort of peels off bits of wood in. Yeah, it sort of works. Whether or not I'm doing the adze thing right, or whether or not this is actually the right geometry, I do not know. This was just an experiment to see if that splitty thing would open this nice and wide, and it did. Now, why did I want to do that little experiment? Well, the answer is someone asked me about making some small spoon adze, and I thought if I had enough material, if I could make a piece of material that was in the right shape, I could produce a smaller eye with a smaller handle, and then spread that body quite wide, which would seem to be something that works. Now, if you have any advice or information, please chuck it in the comments. I love to get the feedback from people, especially constructive feedback. Chuck it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Even send me an email if you're actually that desperate to tell me what I did wrong. But yes, please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this and the geometry and everything. Hopefully you've seen some images of it at some point. As you will have noticed, I have changed location. I'm currently at the end of the garden in my girlfriend's workshop where she makes furniture and jewellery and out of wood and sort of stuff like that. And hopefully we'll be seeing a bit more of this space, maybe certain other spaces as well where we do work, as I think that we're going to do some collaborations together through the channel. Hopefully that's going to be some exciting content. Now, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, please ring that bell for notifications, because it tells you every time I make a video. I make videos as often as possible. We're currently running at about one a week at the minute, which I'm not 100% happy with, but I'm much happier with the content that we're producing. Please, again, in the comments down below, let me know what you're thinking of the new content. Obviously, some of you are very new to the channel, and you may have worked back through some of the catalogue of the videos. I know some people have, and there is a marked difference between what we were doing 2 years ago to what we're doing today. Things are changing, new equipment, i.e. camera, and there's some new software and a computer that I'm currently using. And basically the long and short of it is I'm taking the money from the YouTube channel that I make through ad revenue, and I'm putting that back into the channel. So the more you watch the videos and watch the adverts and all that stuff, the more money that will go into making the videos better, basically. I see it as extra funds that I got because I did the videos. I don't actually see it as cash. It's just this weird online thing that happens because I have the opportunity to make videos and people like yourself want to watch it. So as far as I can see at the minute, it doesn't pay nowhere near as much time goes into it. It doesn't pay for fuel, it doesn't pay for sort of materials, but what it does pay for is the equipment to make it better, if that makes sense. Anyway, look, that's enough of that nonsense. Comments down below. If you want to support the channel in another way, you can by going and checking out the Etsy. There's t-shirts and hats and all sorts of things over there. They really help support the channel. This will also be up on the Etsy if you want to get your hands on it. There's hammers and tongs and all sorts of things. So if you want to support the channel, that's a great way. Buy something from the Etsy. That way it pays for all the materials that got used in this project. It pays for a bit of my time, and it really does help. So that's cool. Oh no, go and check out my Instagram as well. It's really nice to have people following along there. When I do have the time, I like to use the Instagram to put a little bit of information ahead of what's coming up with the channel, show bits and pieces, do the occasional little live thing where we'll bang around on a power hammer for a bit. It's a bit of fun, and some people join in with that as well. So if that's something else that you'd like, Instagram is great. Again, link in the description. Go and check that out. That's everything. Thank you for joining me. I'll leave a link up here to a video of me making some hammers. I'll leave a link down here for something else. There's another video here, and this is the subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining me. See you guys and girls later. Bye bye.